What is the risk when responding to hazmat incident involving cylinders?
There are many factors to think about risk. And when responding to incidents involving cylinders, these can include the location of where the cylinder is, the age and condition of the cylinder, so such as it's got rust or it's been washed up on a beach. Okay. 2, what factors have impinged on the cylinder, and this may include fire or flame or heat or even a chemical reaction. You look at these factors to then determine that risk. Now that risk is basically, if you think about a cylinder is lots of stored energy, and it's about how fast that stored energy is released from the cylinder. The faster it's released, the more likely you're going to get hurt.